Are you ready to elevate your driving experience and ensure your safety on the road? In today's video, we'll be diving into the 5 best dash cams for every budget. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventurous road tripper, having a reliable dash cam can provide peace of mind and protect you against unexpected incidents. From budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality to premium models loaded with features, we've got you covered. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comment section which dash cam you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. KQQ 4K Dash Cam. The KQQ 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam offers premium protection with dual-lens recording. The front-facing camera captures crisp 4K footage, while the rear provides 1080p resolution. You can switch between 2.5K and 1080p effortlessly. With a wide 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear angle, it eliminates rear blind spots, giving full coverage on the road. Managing your dash cam is simple with built-in Wi-Fi. Just connect to the Vantrue app to view, playback, and even edit your recordings. One-click downloads everything directly to your smartphone. Equipped with HDR technology and an f1.8 aperture, this dash cam excels in low light. It captures high-quality images, even at night, balancing exposure for clear visibility. Podofo Night Vision Dash Cam. The Podofo 10.26-inch dash cam redefines driving convenience. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connecting your smartphone is effortless. Just enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you're set. You can use voice control to navigate, play music, and read messages. This dash cam features a large 9.3-inch high-definition touchscreen, ensuring excellent visibility. The rectangular design minimizes obstructions while enhancing aesthetics. Installation is simple, too, thanks to the included cigarette lighter power supply and rear camera. With Bluetooth capabilities, users can make hands-free calls and stream music directly. The FM transmitting function lets you play audio through your car's sound system for an immersive experience. The built-in front camera offers a 160 degrees viewing angle, night vision, and automatic adjustments for clarity. With reliable customer service and warranty, the Podofo Dash Cam is a smart addition to any vehicle. 70mm A810 Dash Cam. The 70mm 4K Dash Cam A810 sets a new standard for automotive recording. Featuring Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 CMOS sensor, it delivers stunning front 4K video and rear 1080p HDR. This advanced sensor enhances sensitivity, making low-light recordings exceptionally clear. With HDR dual-channel recording, this dash cam ensures superior image clarity and color accuracy. The f1.8 large aperture allows more light, enhancing night footage through the exclusive Night Owl Vision technology. This feature significantly improves clarity and reduces glare. The A810 also boasts a 60 FPS high frame rate, effectively eliminating motion blur. It captures every fleeting detail, even during high-speed driving. The advanced AI motion detection automatically records suspicious activities around your parked vehicle. With these features, the 70mm A810 Dash Cam is a must-have for every driver seeking safety and peace of mind. Vantrue E3 Dash Cam. The Vantrue E3 Dash Cam offers comprehensive protection with its 3-channel recording capability. Utilizing the Novatech dual chip, it captures the front, cabin, and rear of the vehicle at stunning 1944p and 1080p resolution. This ensures complete coverage, protecting drivers from traffic disputes and fraud. Equipped with infrared night vision, the E3 excels in low-light conditions. The interior camera features 4 infrared LED lights, while the advanced WDR and HDR technology ensure clear images, making it perfect for rideshare drivers and families. This dash cam also features inbuilt Wi-Fi, and GPS users can easily access live views and manage settings through the Vantrue app. The GPS module records real-time driving routes and speeds, adding an extra layer of detail to your footage. Voice control enhances convenience, allowing users to save videos or take photos without taking their hands off the wheel. Additionally, the 24/7 parking mode provides peace of mind, automatically recording movements around the vehicle. 70mm S500 Dash Cam. The 70mm S500 rearview dash cam is a game-changer in driving safety and convenience. Featuring a 9.35-inch full laminated touchscreen, it offers an expansive view without any blind spots. This innovative upgrade from physical buttons to a responsive touchscreen makes interactions intuitive and user-friendly. Adjusting brightness and image positioning is as simple as a swipe, enhancing the overall driving experience. At its core, the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor delivers stunning 3K resolution images. Coupled with 70mm night owl vision, the S500 excels in low-light conditions, capturing exceptional footage when it matters most. Plus, the dual-channel HDR recording automatically manages storage, ensuring that important moments are never lost. Voice control capabilities allow for hands-free operation, enabling users to command the dashcam without taking their eyes off the road. Additionally, 24-hour parking surveillance provides peace of mind, recording any incidents while parked. Designed with a supercapacitor, the S500 withstands extreme temperatures, ensuring durability. This dashcam is not just a device, it's a reliable co-pilot for every journey.